So starting the test drive in this 2500 HD here. Great pickup from the turbo diesel, of course. Pretty peppy just having a V8 and a turbocharger there. And just a great pull as you come out of corners. Now, one thing I like about these Sierras in particular is they just feel really smooth when you're coming down the street. When you hit bumps, you can kind of feel it because it's a heavy duty truck, but overall on smooth surfaces, it's pretty good. I've got some space here, so I'm gonna give it a pull. Here we go. So it's a pretty quick truck. I wasn't giving it really much. You only get 2 drive modes, a normal and an off-road. So the fact that it was pulling like that, and again, I didn't even have my foot halfway down. That's just, that's impressive. Now with this being a heavy duty truck, it's not going to be as smooth as a Sierra Denali. It's not going to be as smooth as a Silverado 1500, but for a heavy duty truck, the ride quality is fantastic. And I can say that because I've driven some older HD Silverado Sierras, and it's like being in a go-kart. So it's just nice how they've refined the ride over the years. And honestly, road noise not bad. Good thing about having a truck like this, having lots of space in the wheel wells, it sits up higher, all of that is, even though we're on 20-inch wheels, it doesn't drive like a light duty pickup would on 20-inch wheels. Now, I do want to give one more big thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you are looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click on that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. You do get a lifetime powertrain warranty here though, which is nice on a turbo diesel V8 and a 10-speed automatic transmission. So that's just something I always like to add in there, because these days as a consumer, it's just nice to have as many, I guess, fail-safes as possible, just in terms of warranties, in terms of coverages, because things are just getting so expensive, whether it's inflation, whatever you want to blame it on, just everything's becoming more expensive. So having a lifetime powertrain warranty included on a truck like this, especially if you're going to keep it for a long time, it's just nice to have. But final thoughts on this truck, I mean, for $90,000, it's not cheap. It's definitely not cheap. But for what you get here, I mean, you get great visibility for a heavy duty truck. The hood slants down, it's not intrusive by any means. A heads-up display, heated steering wheel, heated cooled seats, a sunroof, rear camera mirror. It's just so much that's included here. You really get everything, and if you are going to be pulling a camper that costs about the price of this truck, you might as well get something that's as luxurious as whatever you're pulling. And even if you're not pulling anything that luxurious, it's nice to have something that on your way to wherever you're going to camp, you're in a very, very nice setting. But then just the pulling power as well, just being able to tow as much as this can, being able to haul as much. The big thing is, with it being a turbo diesel, it's definitely going to be a thirsty truck, but I mean, this thing can do some work. And then just on top of that, having the off-road capability as well with the AT4, It's just, if you're gonna spend 6 figures on a pickup truck, this is a good way to do it and not be necessarily disappointed. But very pleased with it overall. A bit expensive for my taste, but pretty much everything is these days. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4.